Now we want to talk about our topic, the corporate government. It is a very important thing to the company. Today our report will be divided into three parts. First, I want to talk about the relationship between the chairman and the general manager. And the second, I want to talk about the shareholding structure. And then I want to talk about the rest of the shareholder. As we can look at the relationship between the chairman and the general manager. They maybe have some kind of the relationship. They maybe be a same person. Like the giant, the chairman Liu is appoint the general manager Luo to conduct the company. And the chairman can do their job to supervising the general manager to performance in the company. In contrast with the giant, we look at the Morita. The chairman and the general manager have some kind of the relationship. We can look at this photo very obviously. We can see that the chairman and the general manager are the father and son. So in this case, the chairman maybe not did a good job because they maybe not do their best to supervise the general manager. So in this situation, within the giant is the best thing to supervise the general manager. And then we want to talk about the shareholding structure. We all can separate the shareholding structure into two parts. First is a national person, and the second is the legal person. We can see in this picture the blue line is a natural person and the red line is the legal person. Is they have any difference between each other? Yes. Why? Because the natural person maybe have not a lot of ability to supervise the company. On the other word, if the company which have the higher percentage of the legal person, it may not be easy by the stock price will be not easy to influence by the information because they also have a lot of the knowledge to conduct the thing. So we look at the giant and the Morita. They have the very high legal person is the red line. They have a very high legal person in both of the country. And the Morita increasing their legal person very rapidly is very good at these two companies. And next, I want to talk about the rate of the shareholder. We can look at the picture. We can see in the giant, the chairman has the 6.8% of the share for the chairman Liu, and the general manager only have the 0.1% in this company. Contrast with the giant, we can see the Morita. They also, the largest stockholder and chairman and the general manager are the same person. They have the 60.3% of the share. So they will tie their influence to conduct the company. They will reduce their agency problem. Thank you.